Hey guys, this is Ed, and in this video today I will show you how to remove and install a rear bumper cover in Dodge Charger. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first thing I would do is take the rubber, just pull it up here and here, just to make sure it's not going to be in our way to clips here. Okay. Next thing, we have to take the clips out. Okay, so we have this thing out. Okay, so I got my clips, all my clips out. I'll put them right here. I had a problem with these things. I just couldn't get them out the way they should come out. You just put the screwdriver in and you screw it out, but it didn't work for me, so I just pried them out. Okay guys, next step, we have to take the 7mm socket, get the screw over here in this corner. I'm gonna try to focus this. Okay, this screw and 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and both sides. Go for it. Okay, my friends, so next step, what we do, we have to unscrew these plastic screw wannabes and get in here. Here you have a 13mm bolt, as you can see it. Okay, so you have to take them out, both sides. Okay, I got both of my 13mm bolts out. Park them here. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put my floor mats here under the car. So once I take off the bumper, I don't want to really scratch it more than it's scratched already. So take this and pull on the bumper. Just have, okay, what's wrong? Okay, so we pull on it. Next we have this connector. Well, further I think it's pretty obvious what to do. Okay, this is for the lights, for the plate light. Okay, this is how our sexy Dodge Charger looks without the bumper. So this is how you take it off. Next step, let's put it back together. So to put it back together, we just have to raise the bumper. Okay, if these are aligned, you're good. Now remember, we have to, there is this thing right here, so we have to slide. Get it in. Just okay, we have this side, but this side fell. Well, I need 2 hands, so I'll do this. Okay, our bumper is nice and aligned. Let's do the opposite procedure. Let's take our floor mats, 13mm. Get them back in place, both sides. Okay, I have now both of our 13mm back in place. Align this. Take our screw, 7mm. So, okay, put the screws back in, put the clips back in. After this, you remember we have clips. You put them back in. you're all set. If this helps, press like. If not, comment. Have a great day. Bye.